Hello friends, in this video you will learn about JavaScript in HTML. In this HTML file you will get the idea about use of JavaScript. See, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language in HTML and the web. The use of JavaScript is we make the modifications on elements with the help of classes and IDs. Where to use JavaScript? You can use JavaScript in between head tags and body tags. We are using in the body tags in this HTML file. See this internal use with the script tags. This script tags makes to use JavaScript like this part. See how this script tags works. By seeing this, see here is a button. When you click this button, in this on click, when clicking this button, click button, this our script is calling. This function is calling. Then we move to this function, our script. In this our script function is called get element by id method. In this method we are using script 001. Nothing but this is the paragraph. This is accessed with the get element id. This element is accessed. Then in this element inner.html is used to write in HTML. This first JavaScript is written in this element part. Then comes to the external use. To use external, we need to create the file with the extension of .js. Current folder, JS folder is there. In this JS folder, javascript.js file is there. With this JS file, you can access the some data like JavaScript related data. See what is in JS file. Document.write 1+8. This is the output is 9. One of the function, write function. This write the 1+8. Nothing but 9. And the inline. This is just on click window.print. This is used to print the current page with the help of window.print. Then we are also adding CSS file with the help of link. CSS folder, in CSS folder stylesheet.css file is there. With this file what we modified is, see this, body and button is modified with this background color light blue, font size 20 pixel, font style italic, font family monospace, color is purple. This script 001, this is the ID detail. We use hash for IDs. That's why hash script 001. Font size is 25 pixel, color is gray. Then see how this file appears on the web. This is the file appearance in the web page. Here is the way to use JavaScript. When clicking this click, this function is calling and this first JavaScript is output. See this. First JavaScript is output. The 9 comes from this external. We already see the JS file. See this 1+8 is 9, that is printed. And last one is the printing. Check this one user with this using this statement in your HTML and click on it. You will get the one window to print the page, current page. This is the way of using JavaScript in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.